In today's video, I'm going to show you AT&T Internet Air Review Vertical Bar Everything You Need to Know. AT&T Internet Air is a fixed wireless home internet service that delivers broadband over AT&T's 5G and in some cases LTE cellular network. The idea is to provide home internet to areas where wired broadband fiber cable is unavailable or hard to install. AT&T promotes it with some appealing perks: no annual contract, no overage fees, no price increase for 12 months, free equipment setup self-install, and their all-Fi hub router divided by hub. The base cost is around $60 divided by month plus taxes, discounted slightly if you enroll in autopay and paperless billing. In ideal conditions, the download speeds reported are in the range of 75 225 megabits per second. Uploads are more modest, often 10-30 megabits per second. And latency ping is typically somewhere between 30 to 70. These numbers are good enough for many things: streaming, video calls, light gaming, web browsing, etc. The performance depends heavily on how strong your 5G signal is, how far you are from the tower, how congested the network is, and how good the router is within your home. But the reality in many user reports is a bit messier. As you can see from Reddit, many people say speeds fluctuate a lot. It may work fine at night or during off-peak hours, but slow down significantly when lots of people are online or during busy daytime periods. Some users report high latency spikes, which are a big deal for gaming or anything real-time voice divided by video. Customer support also gets mixed reviews. Some say AT&T handles issues decently, but many mention long wait times, inconsistent fixes, and billing problems. Bottom line, is it worth it? If you live in an area without good wired internet and your usage is moderate, AT&T Internet Air could be a decent option. It gives you flexibility, no long-term contract, and can be set up quickly. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.